What's going on, my good people? It's your boy Jay Fry, letting you know about this Strebito mini precision screwdriver set. This is gonna be pretty quick, so we'll see what's inside the box. I'll show you my main use for it and let you know if I think it's worth buying or not. But before we get started, I need you to help your boy out by subscribing to this channel, liking the video, sharing, hitting the bell notification, and all that good stuff. Let's go. So I've needed an electric precision screwdriver to complete a work task that was horrible without it. That means I was either using the precision tool kit manually or using an oversized drill trying to find a precision bit that'll work. In both cases they sucked. So I did a little Amazon search and I purchased this precision drill for $24.99. Now I didn't want one that was too expensive. I didn't want one that was too cheap. So I stayed within the average cost. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Also, let me know in the comments if you're interested in this one or one similar and what you'll be using it for. So this is the case that it comes in, and keep in mind that this is also the storage case. So I keep this Strive to be great slip on here because it actually holds the box together. And I guess Strive to be great is, I guess their motto, they got it written everywhere. Alright, so your 36-piece mini electric screwdriver set. On the side, it kind of tells you some of the things that it's used for: cell phone repair, computer, laptop, and so forth. On the back, has the packing list, product parameters, and tell you the size bits or whatever that you have. Alright. So, like I said, this is a storage case. It's built alright. I guess it'll hold up. It's gonna come with your manual. You can read the manual if you want. I don't know. Some people read it, some people don't. Some people need to. It's got your magnetic mat. I don't never use that. Probably won't never use it. Maybe find something else to do with it. Your charging cable. Your magnetizer and your demagnetizer. I actually just use this to pick up all the screws because I don't use the mat. Has your two prying tools. Both of them are the same. I don't know, I guess they just give you two of the same. I hadn't used those yet, probably won't be using them. I have a set that I will actually use. Then these are all your bits that it comes with, the 30 bits. And then also, this is the actual drill itself, the Strebito mini screwdriver. So there's your LED. I don't know if that's gonna really help anybody, but that's your LED, your charging port, and the design, the way they have it designed is supposed to be like a roll-free design where it won't roll off the table or whatever. Alright, so you have your forward and reverse. Of course, this button here controls the LED light and also the torque speed. So let's see if I put one up. Let's put a screw in here, or a bit. So if I put a bit in there, you can see it. I don't know if it'll actually show you, but if I hold that down, it just changed the torque speed. Let's see if it'll change it again. It slowed it down. And then that's your reverse and forward. So it's pretty simple. That's pretty much it. And also inside this box, man, this right here, I hadn't figured this out yet. So I'm assuming I'm gonna need to take this off and stick it right here and then place it there so it'll keep keep this in place, because I do actually just put it like that and put the box over it. So yeah, I end up doing that here in a little bit. Now that we've seen what's in the box, I'm going to show you how I put this thing to work. So stick around and find out if it can handle the job or not, and if it was worth buying. One other task I have at work is decommissioning mobile devices. And when I do this, it's usually between 10 and 40 devices at a time. And this is actually one of the devices. And without the right tools, that can be a pain. So what I have to do is remove the solid state drives. And in order to do that, I have to remove the 7 screws right here. I don't know if you can see it, but the 7 screws. Then right below this panel, there's another 3 screws. Then from there, after I remove the drive, I'll just reinstall the screws. Now I may accidentally forget to put all the screws back in, but the drill has already done its job. So let's take a look and see how that works. We'll do it with the LED light to even see if it make a difference. Not really, but alright. It's kind of slow, man, but I had to get used to it. I get paid by the hour, so it's not too bad. Let's see if we change the torque on it. See if it make a difference. Move a little bit faster. That ain't too bad. Let's see, we use the mat. Boom. First time using it. And I usually use like a little mini flathead to pry this open. But for now, I guess I'll try this since I am showing you guys a prying tool. And that's what this is for. And it actually didn't do too bad. Then those are the additional three screws I would have to remove. Like it's having a hard time. Seems like it struggles on a few of them, but still getting the job done. And then this is a flathead, so I don't take the time out to undo the bits or whatever. I'll take that back, put all the screws back, maybe. Let's see. Different doing it on camera. Boom. At least I get one of them back in there. And if I don't lose all these screws, I generally put them back in. I don't know if I really needed the light, but I guess somebody might need it. And so yeah, I usually do between 10 to 40 of these a day. That same process, and it holds up, out for one charge. And I may, that's pretty good to me. And I just charge it up when I'm done. And yeah, it does make this job easier, and that's the only thing I use it for. Alright, so overall I'm satisfied with the set. It's been getting the job done, so I feel like it's worth the buy for me. But only time will tell how long it'll last. So that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, the bell notification, and all that good stuff. Holla at your boy.